Okay, hello everyone. Today, for the first time, we're going to prepare a very nice and yummy menu. This is
Boo!
going to be this is going to be the burger.
I'm
Okay?
here.
Yeah, and I have my little chef. She's
Hey, I'm not little, okay?
yeah, she's called Jude. She's going to prepare
Don't say my name.
We're going to prepare together the burger. All we need for today is the piece of meat. We need tomatoes. We need
Ooh.
this onion. We need lettuce. We need the cheese.
Cheesy.
It's going to be cheesy
Yep,
and
cheese.
tasty. And this is the bun. Let's get started now. To do now, Jude first.
What? We're gonna cut the onions, of course.
We'll cut the onions into slices, circular slices, yeah?
Well,
in this
yeah.
way. They're going to be so tasty and juicy. It's going to give a taste of juice, yeah?
I don't even like onions, but if it's your advice, then okay.
Yeah, we'll do it. And then we're going to cut the lettuce.
Okay, maybe I do like onions a little bit. Anyways,
You can try it. Now, the lettuce is ready, the onion is ready.
I wish-
Second, we're going to cut the tomatoes.
I wish I could.
But I think we need more lettuce.
Well, it doesn't mean we do need more lettuce.
Lettuce, so it will be enough for the meal of today. We need a plate.
Don't forget, we
Yes.
are
can you
going
give
to
me-
make the entire one.
Yes, of course. We're going to prepare the entire bun. We need now to get a plate.
Oh yeah,
Just a second.
Plates
We'll get a
are
plate, an empty plate,
the plate.
just to put all the ingredients over here, so
Good job,
they can
Soha.
rest. Thank you.
Or should I say Sorsha?
Yeah, it's fine. And these, we're going to leave them aside. It's time now to cut the tomatoes.
I really wish I could cut them.
You can just hold my hand, yeah, and help me. You see, my little chef. You need to work as well, not only me.
Of course.
Okay.
But I can't cut stuff.
Yeah, of course.
So what do I help with?
Now, you're going to help me. You're going to open this bun for now.
Those are a lot of buns.
Let's go and check for the potatoes. The potatoes are already fried.
Ooh.
Yeah, you see the fries? These are the fries. They're ready for now.
I want
Now
one.
let's get started with
I want
the.
one.
Let's start with the meat now. In order to fry the meat, we don't add anything. We just put them in the tray, medium heat, and we need to wait a little bit. And then you can flip it, and you'll find the result. Can you get me a spatula from there?
Well, of course,
I'm
Sorsha
sure it's very well
is a
cooked.
better cook than me. Because I post very bad videos. Yeah.
You're not bad, you're good. But we need to practice, right? It's a
Guys,
matter of
I
practice.
forgot to tell you, I am, well, team plays. That's it.
Give me your hand.
That's all I could say.
Give me your hand.
And
And you try now to make like this.
Okay.
We need to make sure that everything is cooked, very well cooked.
I'm
Yeah?
not good at flipping pancakes either.
Yeah, we flip it over there. And we flip this one. We want it very well done. Yeah?
Well done. Well, I can't dislike
No,
this.
we need another plate.
Another plate?
Yeah,
Hey,
one plate please.
Here you go.
Yeah, now we're going to take the meat and put them aside.
They look
Just
tasty.
to wait until we fry a little bit the onion. The onion, we need it to be like caramelized, you see?
What does caramelize mean?
It means it's going to change in color. It's going to be like brownish a little bit.
Oh,
You see, we fry it.
well that
until-
sounds nice.
Yeah,
Mmm.
you see how it's caramelized now?
Yeah.
The color changed and we fried it a little bit. Now I'm going to remove it and put it in the same plate with the meat so we can,
Oh yes, that would sound like a great idea.
yeah, you see?
Like everybody does, actually. Everybody.
The last step for now
Is
going
to
to
place
be
them?
No, now
Oh,
I want
the lettuce?
to put the buns, just to make them a little bit crispy.
I said that.
Yeah, this is it. Can you please put them like this?
Oh yes,
Upside
yes,
down?
I'll put them.
Yeah,
Hold on.
please. Help me. But pay attention to your hand. Just throw it. Yes. Excellent. And
Now
the
this.
rest,
Oh yeah,
yeah.
I'll put this one. Boom.
Now we turn off the heat. We don't want to burn them.
Yep.
We just put them
We
this way.
definitely don't. Can I try that?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes,
11,
little cook.
13,
Our
14,
little cook.
15, 16,
Excellent.
17.
Now it's time to join the burger and make it a yummy
I know
bun.
what. Opening them too.
Yeah, now I'm going to put the cheese
Can I open
inside the
this?
first one.
I'm gonna
Yes, you can. Inside one of it.
Bad news, I don't know how to open it.
It's fine.
Can you help?
Yeah, of course. Now I just need this. Let's move the second one.
I'm ready for the mustard.
Okay. You're
You
gonna
have to
help.
shake it well, okay?
Yeah, shake
Why?
it before you put. Yes,
Because
you shake it.
You have to shake it well before you put.
Why?
Very well.
Yeah.
Like this?
Yes.
Yes, of course.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay, stop.
Stop now. Now I'm going to put this one here. Shall I put cheese on top of all? Inside all of
if you
them?
want.
Yeah,
you
we all want it with cheese, right?
Yep, we all
So,
want it
okay,
with
the
cheese.
third
Is the
one.
special ingredient.
Yeah, it's a special ingredient. It's going to be a cheesy, melty burger.
I like that.
Uh-huh.
Really like that.
Of course.
But
Of
the
course
most
you will like.
But the very most important part.
Now,
Is
I'm
the
going to place
meat.
the meat. Before the meat, I'm going to place the onion.
Can I try placing the onion? Or is it hot?
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Let me get these. Ooh,
No,
looks
no,
like
over
pasta.
here, over here. This is the top.
So,
Okay,
let me place
This
over
one.
here.
this one. Hold the spatula. It's fine.
Just
Okay.
one.
Yes, you can place them on the last one over there.
Okay, there's 3 more. I'll put them right
Yeah,
here.
please. Thank you, chef.
Can I get this one too?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, I'll put this here because there's no.
What are we going to add for now?
The meat, of course.
The meat, of course. The first one
Goes here.
goes here. The second one
Goes there.
Goes to the second one.
And
And
then
this goes
the
to
third
the
one.
third one, of course.
Mhm.
On top of it, what are we going to place now?
The
We'll go-
the mustard and the ketchup.
Yeah,
I shaked it well.
Yeah, it's optional. Yeah, if someone doesn't like the taste of the mustard, some people don't like it, so you can avoid this. Okay?
Do I stop shaking it?
Yeah, you can stop. Now it's time
Can I place
to
it? I wanna
yes,
place it. I wanna place
please a little bit. Don't put too much.
Tell me when to stop.
Yeah, stop.
But what
Stop.
if I don't want
Like
mustard?
this.
What if I don't want mustard?
I told you this is optional, so you can skip
No,
it.
I meant what if we put mustard on it? Then what if?
It will give it a nice taste. Now we can just spread it.
Please don't spread mine.
No, we spread it. Now, what are we going to add?
Oh.
Who wants some tomatoes?
Yep, we'll get tomatoes.
Yeah, you want
What?
tomatoes?
But first, let's just put.
Do you want tomatoes with it?
Hold on, let me shake it.
Just answer
Actually,
me.
no, I don't want it. So,
You don't want?
no, but I think I'll have cheese. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's a lot of cheese. Can
Okay.
I place it? Can I place it?
Yeah, please. Stop.
That's too much.
Yeah. Okay.
It's
We'll
okay, I'll
take
take this
some
one.
of it. Yeah,
Fine.
Now,
Can I?
what else
shake it?
can? Yeah, you can spread it on top.
Spread, 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 spread.
Yeah. Now it's time to put the
Lettuce.
lettuce. Okay.
I don't want.
Okay.
Me neither.
You don't want?
Yeah, just put it in this one. I
No,
want the middle.
you and Selena, you don't want. You both of you don't want this for me.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll
You
just
see
take
how
it.
crispy it looks? It
That's very
looks so yummy. Okay. This is all. Who wants tomatoes?
Not me.
Ah, also Selena doesn't want. We prepared also tomatoes. So also tomatoes will be optional for those who want tomatoes.
Do you
If
want
not,
tomatoes?
no. Now this is ready. Who wants to taste?
Me. I'll taste it. I'll give it a try.
Of course, you need to taste
In fact,
it.
everybody will taste it.
Okay, now it's your turn. I'm going to place it here in this plate. You have. Oh, we forgot something very important. Remember what was it?
The fries, right?
The fries. Get the fries, please.
I'll get them. Mom, I'll get them. Here it is.
Here are the fries. Would you like to put the fries inside it, or we can put it aside if you want?
We'll just put it aside first.
Inside?
No, aside.
Aside, okay. So I'm going to put some fries here aside. And our plate is ready for today. Start.
3, 2, 1. I love it.
Really?
This is the best burger I've ever tasted so far.
Of course it's going to be the best one.
Yours is good too.
These are the burgers, the rest of the burgers. Now we're going to start with. Okay, I hope everyone likes our wonderful recipe.
Well, I like it.
Yeah, with the little chef, Jude. So proud to have her with me. Okay,
Thank
so
you. Why, thank
I
you.
want you all to subscribe, like, and share. I want you all to like the video.
By the way,
And
this
we're
is
going
actually.
to have more videos all together.
By the way, this is actually gonna be on my channel too, not only her channel.
Yeah, please subscribe to Kitty.
Please.
Kitty Plays channel. Jude has a channel. It's called Kitty Plays.